Good morning. My name is K. Sasikala, working in Hindustan College of Arts and Science and also a part-time research scholar under the guidance of Dr. Priyadarshini Madam, Professor, Department of Mathematics, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And my research topic for today is stability of neutral delay differential equation using spectral approximation. Abstract. This paper estimates the spectral approximation using spectral tau and spectral least square method for the first order neutral delay differential equation. Here, the given equation is reduced to an advection equation to determine the spectral solution. The effect of different bases are being compared to the numerical solution of the given equation. The Legendre and Chebyshev basis generates much superior results than the Fourier mixed basis. For estimating the stability is to convert the delay differential equation of numerous delay into partial differential equation. Then the partial differential equation approximation is transformed by the ordinary differential equation by applying spatial discretion technique such as spectral tau method, spectral least square method. This impact on the spectrum is shown. Here, spectrum represents all the eigenvalues of the characteristic equation. Spectral approximation. Spectral methods are used to numerically solve differential equation by writing the solution as sum of the certain basic function and then choosing the coefficient in sum in order to satisfy the differential equation. This summation may be the least square method or tau method. Since neutral delay differential equation, we don't have a specific analytical solution. We have tried to get an approximate result using this method. Time delay. Delay is a common feature of many real processes, and with growing demand for more precise prediction, control and performance, there is a greater need for the model to behave as close to the real system as possible. The best example for the time delay is our present situation. We have been getting delayed in developing a vaccine for coronavirus. As delay increases, the death increases. So we have to consider all the criteria into consideration when developing a model. Time delay system can be represented by delay differential equation, which have been extensively studied over the past decades. Such time delay can limit and degrade the achievability performance of the control system and even induces the instability. Delay differential equations are a special type of differential equation that depends on the unknown function of the dependent variable given at previous time. There are different types of delay differential equation: neutral delay differential equation, stochastic delay differential equation, retard delay differential equation, and distributed delay differential equation. My topic for research is neutral delay differential equation, which is nothing but an differential equation that depends on the derivative of the unknown function of the dependent variable given at previous time. This is an equation of the neutral delay differential equation. Here, this tau represents the delay. Here, we have to check the stability of the neutral delay differential equation and also to find a solution for neutral delay differential equation. So first thing is to find the stability, we have to know what is a stability. Stability is nothing but the ability of the system to return to its initial state when an external disturbance occurs. Many researches have been done on neutral delay differential equation. To find an approximate solution, Newton-Raphson method works efficiently in finding the roots of a nonlinear equation with initial guesses. It helps the network to find the rightmost roots of the neutral delay differential equation directly from the characteristic quasi-polynomial. Next method is a Lagrangian approximation for the neutral delay differential equation, which also have given some similar convergent results on the stability of the given equation. Methods available to solve neutral delay differential equation. First one is output feedback method. Here we know how to stabilize using the controllers. Next is variation iteration method, which has huge iterative formula and complicated to solve. Next method is block method. Block method is applied with variable step size. Next one is Lyapunov method, which is also widely used. Lambert's W function is current researches are going on neutral delay differential equation because it has given greater analytical results on the delay differential equation. There are various spectral approximation methods to solve neutral delay differential equation. Here we are going to study the spectral tau method and spectral least square method. Spectral tau method is used for solving the proposed equation. All the terms in the proposed equation are reduced by operational matrix based upon the basis function to the matrix form. The output of the spectral tau method is calculated by this formula: x of t is equal to y of 0 of t, which is equal to phi of 0 of transpose eta of t, and the approximate spectrum of the spectral tau method is given by this last formula. This method is spectral least square method. It is also one of the spectral approximation method to solve the differential equation, where we apply the Lagrangian multipliers to reduce and solve the equation with respect to the different bases. Here we apply the bases such as Fourier, Legendre and Chebyshev. The outcome of the spectral least square method is given by this formula: x of t is equal to y of 0 comma t, which is equal to phi of 0 of transpose into eta of t, and the approximate spectrum is given by the last formula. The graph of spectral tau method is shown for different bases such as Fourier, Chebyshev and Legendre function of the neutral delay differential equation. Here we are comparing the solution with DDSN solver and for tau value ranging from 1, 5 and 10. Then the results shows utmost result The graph of spectral tau method is shown for different bases such as Fourier, Chebyshev and Legendre function of neutral delay differential equation. We are comparing the solution with DDSN solver for tau value from 1 to 10. Then solution gives utmost result for tau is equal to 1, comparing for tau is equal to 5 and 10. The graph of spectral least square method is shown for different bases of neutral delay differential equation. We are comparing again with DDSN solver for tau value ranging from 1, 5 and 10. Here the solution gives utmost result when tau is greater than or equal to 1. The graph of the spectrum of neutral delay differential equation by spectral tau method is shown here. If you see the graph, all the roots of Fourier, Legendre, Chebyshev when tau is equal to 1, 5, 10 falls in the negative imaginary axis, which shows the stability of the neutral delay differential equation. The graph of the spectrum of the neutral delay differential equation by spectral least square method is shown, where we infer that the roots except tau is equal to 1 shows the stability in the neutral delay differential equation, whereas for tau is equal to 1, Fourier, Chebyshev, Legendre, all the roots falls in the real axis, which shows the instability of a neutral delay differential equation. Spectrum was found for different choice of basis function. Legendre basis guarantees the stability of neutral delay differential equation, as all the eigenvalues lies in the left half of the real plane compared to the Fourier and Chebyshev basis. But for the numerical solution of neutral delay differential equation are compared and computed using DDEN SND solver with spectral tau method and spectral least square method. Spectrum was found for different choice of the basis function, and Legendre basis shows superior results for the stability of neutral delay differential equation compared to Fourier and Chebyshev methods. But for tau is equal to 1, the stability fails for all the bases of spectral least square method. This can be further extended by varying the basis function, extending the basis function to maximum coordinates, varying the initial function. Thank you everyone for listening patiently, and also I extend my thanks to my guide Dr. Priyadarshini ma'am and also my co-authors. Thank you.